What's up, guys? It's J Smooth 712. I'm back at it. I'm sure y'all. I just got a new pickup. I got two pickups today. The Big Sevens, straight from Hong Kong. I opened it already, and I got a military force. Came out today. First of all, I'm gonna show you the military force. The box. See the flight. Size 8. Retail 160. Here you have it. Military blue fours. See the mesh. See the tag. Air tag. Fresh. Just got these today. These are so sexy, man. Show you how to wear that. They wear Air Jordan. You see that? These are so fucking sexy. A lot of these, like not a lot of people were going crazy for these because the Yeezys 2 came out today. Some shit. I don't wear Yeezys, so I don't fuck with that shit. I don't know why everybody's feeding for these Yeezys. Them shits is whack. But here's the receipt for my military blue fours. You know what I mean? I see 175. Fuck that. But yeah, I just got these shits today. And I got an early pickup on the Olympic 7s. I was a little anxious. See, I opened it already. I'm gonna still show you. Look at these shits. The hell, man. My fault, guys. Shit is so fucking hard to come on. Fuck this. Yeah, here it is. Here you have it. The Olympic 7s. Show you the box first. This is the new box, new Jordan box. I'm surprised these just came with a tag because most of them don't even do that. Air Jordan Retro 7s. I'm retro my full size 8, and they don't show the retail because I got them straight from Hong Kong. Shout out to Marquis Soap. Bought these for $307 on Marquis Soap. I want y'all to know. I never really had these Olympics. She came out around 05, I think. I'm not sure. So there you have it. Olympic 7s. See the 9 in the back. That was Jordan's number. See the bottom. Fresh. Size 8. You already know. These shits are so fucking sexy. On feet, they look so hot. No, no, no. No homo shit. See the Jordan sign? Size 8. Niggas don't want to believe you and shit. You gotta show it off. Show them proof. Size 8. You see the Jumpman inside. You got the Jumpman on the side with the silver. The metallic silver or some shit. See how fresh is these shits, man. I would never wear these shits. I don't even know if I should wear them. But there you have it. These are my 2 new pickups on June 9th. Olympic 7s. And military 4s. You heard J Smooth. You already know J Smooth 712. If you got any questions, any info, I'll tell y'all release dates and shit. Yeah, shout out to Monkey Soul for the Olympic 7s. Alright guys, good luck on finding Jordans. I'm thinking about getting the new Jordans next week, 2 weeks from now. Sitting in 12s. I don't know if y'all know about that. I don't really like them, but I might just get them just to fuck with them. But y'all, nah. Shout out to all y'all, yo. This shit's gonna be mad hard to find. I'm telling you. I suggest get them early in the 6s too, Olympic 6s. That's gonna be a long ass line. So it's gonna be mad hard to get. But shout out to y'all. Y'all already know. Any questions, any info, private message me. JSmooth712 at YouTube. You already know.